What up? Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the original air filter on your CFmoto 800 MTX, and we're going to replace it with this. This is the DNA high performance air filter, and it's fairly simple. The first thing that you need to know is that you are going to access the air filter over here under your seat. I already took out the seat, I already took out all the tools that you need in order to just remove the cover over here. So this one comes with 3 little screws, and you just remove those and remove the cover. Over here, this is the DNA high performance air filter. As you can see, it's beautiful. Go back to the motorcycle over here. Just pull this out. This is just like another piece that allows you to put the air filter in place, and you just take out the original air filter. This thing over here, this is just to illustrate you guys. This is the Blu-ray foam filter oil. This is only for this type of filters, and as you can see, this is my original filter. This is after 10,000 kilometers of usage, and of course I already cleaned this like several times and applied the filter oil several times, especially since I live in Costa Rica. Over here we have a lot of dust, and it's really necessary. But like I mentioned, the foam filter oil is for this type of air filters. The DNA air filter, they sell their own implementation of this filter oil, so it's not necessary to use this one. You need to get the original from DNA high performance air filter, okay? And we are going to put the cover over here. As you can see, it's a perfect fit, and we go back to the motorcycle, okay? And over here we're going to drop down carefully. Over here, as you can see, it's going to line up with the motorcycle perfectly, and then we're going to slide this back in, and there you go. And now we're going to test it.